Hello and welcome back everyone. My name is Edwin and today we'll be demonstrating how Okta workflows can notify administrators by email when a user is deactivated within Okta. As you can see here, we've gone ahead and created a workflow which reads a user information when they are deactivated within Okta. We have told Okta to pull the user information along with the administrator who deactivated the user. We then push that information into a compose card and then push that information into an email that will be sent out to our admin distribution group. Now for this test, we have a user named James Brown who we'll be using to test our workflow. Once the user is deactivated within Okta, our workflow will trigger and pull the user information. If we log into our test admin account, we can see that Okta has sent us an email, which notifies our admins by sending an email to a distribution group. Now this workflow can also be changed to notify administrators when a user status has changed from active to suspended, deactivated, or even locked out. Thank you for watching our video on notifying a distribution group by email that a user was deactivated using Okta workflows.